Hello. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying, having a great life, enjoying your summers, few days of summer. So, I hope you guys are liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel and watching all of the videos that I'm uploading on my channel for you guys. And let me know in the comment box what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. So as I'm making videos on the houses, and the most favorite thing about houses for me is the white house. I mean, everything should be white. It's so peaceful. Of course there should be a contrast with whites and gold, or white, or fawn and whatever, but white white is white. I mean, there's no other thing as white. So today I'm here with Kim, living room, and you are gonna love how plain, simple her houses look. Everything is white with a little bit of contrast of greenery and wood color, but most probably everything is white. And I'm just loving it. How plain, how simple, how graceful her house is. I mean, there's no junks at every corner. Just the simplest, plain and pretty. You know, this house. I just love this house. I mean, this is amazing. This is so lovely. This is so pretty. Look, oh my goodness, this is the bathroom. I mean, oh hot. This is so cool. The scene is so pretty. Look at the hair crockery setting. I mean, it's just amazing. Like there's no trash, no other stuff at all. It's just a pretty home, nice and clean. So I think you love this one.